All right, so I'm gonna be completely honest. I made a mistake. Even people as perfect as me screw up every once in a while. It's hard for me to make this video, but I feel like you guys need to know the mistakes that have been made today. I'm still learning our new equipment.
What the hell?
And I had my mic plugged in yesterday when I shot my intro for the video that you're about to see. But I wasn't wearing my mic, so I have no audio. So today, I'm reshooting my intro. Last night, me and Tommy got dispatched out for an accident. Well, it wasn't really an accident. It was a rotation wrecker call, heavy wrecker call. And we get sent out to a really narrow, windy back road. Got some good footage. I had to back about a mile or two down it and to get to this truck. It's a Pete 389 with a low boy hauling a excavator. I'm not sure the size of it or nothing like that, but it's pretty big. He grossed about 80,000, he was saying. So he also got on this road where he wasn't supposed to be. No fault to the driver. He was following directions he was provided, and he couldn't get out of the end of the road, so he ended up having to back all the way down it. It's a brisk 37 degrees outside, and it's starting to get dark, so if you want to put yourself in the position of this truck driver, he's probably running all kinds of things through his head, and he cut the trailer a little too hard, dropped the drive tires of the tractor off the roadway, and that is when he lost traction because the trailer high centered in the road. So me and Tommy showed up and did what we do. We recovered the truck, got him out real quick. He was happy. We were happy. Everybody was happy. I went home and ate enchiladas. So that's pretty much the extent of this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll try not to screw up anymore in the future, you know. But, you know, I am perfect, so is it really a mess up? Here's the video. It is a brisk 37 degrees outside. It is the middle of March. There's no reason, it's just stinking cold. We're in Kentucky. It should be warm by now. It ain't gonna give us no snow. It should at least be warm. All right. The shackles will go in his pins with the each end of the strap. That's a 20 footer. We'll use a 12. Yeah, that'll work. I'll use the 12 foot here. Grab 2 more of these. And 1 more of this. That's fine. We'll use it. It'll work. Oh, whoop. Dropped everything. Yeah, we'll do it. Yeah, I need one for here too. So I'm gonna run my line out and then back to there. That way it doesn't roll up on my outriggers. Helps try to plant my truck. I'm gonna take some of our strap protectors and put them down under my outriggers to give them a rubber to sit on. And we'll see what happens there. But we'll get this hooked up first to the winch line, and then we'll reset it all. All right, Tommy, come over here to this side. That way you're not standing in the ditch, you can see everything. All right, I'm gonna have you run the truck, so make sure your foot's in the wheel well. Work your control, slow and smooth, go at your own pace. It ain't gonna run away from you, all right? I'm gonna go down there and guide to him. You start feeling this shift or anything, I'll hear it. It'll rattle like a sunbuck. But you start feeling this shift or anything, just stop. We'll come try to get the truck to sit still, all right? I'll do this when he's ready, okay? I'll do this when he's ready. Go ahead and tighten up. Boom up. Actually, I tell you what, well, you can't do it from that side. That'll work. Yeah, keep going. Let out on this. All right, boom up till it gets tight. All right. Now what I want you to do, I didn't have you set up yet. What I want you to do is go ahead and free spool your blue winch.
Got left or right?
It'll be right up from the blue one. Yeah, it's not right in front of it, but you got left and right.
So this one?
It'll be, no, that's your high speeds. So this will be your free spool. Okay. It's liable to already be in free spool. Yeah, it's free spooled on the other side. That's why the red light's lit. Okay, so boom out. So what you're doing here is by booming up and booming out, you're taking the angle and sticking it out past the tail of your truck. So when that pulls down, it's gonna plant your truck into the ground. That's good. You don't have to go far with these trucks. You just got to get it out past the tailboard a little bit. That way it puts some weight back here. All right, and if it doesn't sit still, we'll free spool this line and we'll get it, the boom way up there and get it out a little bit farther, okay? All right, so go ahead and tighten up your red. All right, perfect. She's starting to come up. Be ready to hit the brake pedal, because it pops up, you may start rolling, okay? We're off the ground. That's a little method that I learned when me and Matt went and took our rotator and heavy recovery course. We used a 25-ton wrecker just like mine. This was a West Wilburn class. Used a 25-ton wrecker just like this one and drug a loaded cement mixer up the cross-dry pavement. All right, we'll stick around until you get all the way out of here. How far is it that way for you to back out?
He said it's about a mile or so.
Okay. Are you going to be able to turn around in there?
No, oh no.
Oh no.
Because I'll probably Haas Center again.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. So you're going to try and back all the way down the road?
I'm gonna, once you pull up,
yep,
I'll get over and try to just corner it.
Okay. All right, slow and smooth. We'll hang out till you get around it. Is this the only tight corner?
I think so.
Okay. Do you want us to follow you all the way to the other end?
I think I'm okay.
Okay.
How much you think I owe you so far?
Let me get this wrapped up real quick and I'll let you know. All right? I got to look it up, so. Yep. Yeah, well, yeah. We can go ahead and put that away. I'll just hook that there for now. We'll just break everything down and hope we don't have to get it back out. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure up the invoice for this gentleman. You fellas have yourselves a wonderful evening. Me and Tommy are gonna make sure this guy gets out of where he's at. So that wasn't too bad. Truck stayed still real well. Tommy did a good job working the controls. So first time operating a heavy wrecker for a winch out, right?
Yeah.
That's not too bad at all, I don't say. So, alrighty. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. See you next time. Okay, bye.